Okay, so today, a little different. We're going to pick up a Volkswagen Thing in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. A guy named Scott called me and he got rear-ended in it. So we're gonna go up there, pick it up, assess the damage, bring it back to the shop, and get it fixed up for him. All right, so let's go. All right, so I got a little carried away. I was just talking to the guy when I pulled up there and completely spaced it on filming, but as you can see, there it is. So I'm gonna run in here, get some lunch, and get back on the road, get this thing unloaded, and see what we got. It's gonna need some work, all right. Okay, so we got it unloaded here. You can definitely see it got rear-ended. It knocked it in quite a bit. There we go. See the fold in the tin here. Buckle down there. Buckle down here. The whole back of this thing is buckled down. I've already looked up underneath. You know, the main structure under there is buckled. It's buckled in here, back here on both sides, as well as you can see this door gap. I'll turn this way, it'll be easier to see. See how big it is here, and then it tightens up. It's that way on both sides. The owner said it got hit by like a newer Toyota car. So you can clearly see. I mean, it opens and shuts fine, but it's definitely buckled down. So we're gonna have to pull that, drop the motor out. It's got a major exhaust leak on it. I'm sure you heard when I unloaded it. But it's also been hit pretty hard in the front. I'll try to get a good angle of how crooked it is. Let's see. Open this up. Move this out the way. That definitely gives you a clear view of impact in the front. So we're gonna need to pull all that out also. And at the top, the hood gap, much tighter here, much larger there. And then the door, you can see the quarter where it's buckled. The nose buckled hard. Fenders beat. And this passenger front door, it's shut right now. And you can see it's sticking out bad at the bottom. And it goes up almost flush here. Same thing here, it's almost flush at the front, but like, say it's way off. And this one too, the customer mentioned it's got the fiberglass floor pans in it. So we're probably gonna go ahead and, after the body's all straightened and everything, and pull the body and put a set of steel floor pans in it. You can kind of see right here, there's a little bit of a buckle, and it's got the bow down for where it's buckled, and the whole back is falling off also. Other than that, not bad. He's got a new top, windows in it. It's pretty solid. The other thing that we're probably going to address, I was talking to him today, is you can see that it's been lowered in the front. He said it rides like crap, and that he knows for sure that there's bug spindles on it instead of the thing spindles, but then I guess previous owner slash builder of it mentioned that there's something else done to the beam, which I just took a quick peek under here when I was strapping it down. Let's see. Yeah, there's no adjusters or any signs of it being cut and turned, so the only other thing that I could think of is they pulled some leaves out of the spring pack. He said it's got like no suspension travel, it's just bouncing down the road. So we'll need to address that also. But anyhow, he's waiting for the insurance to do what they're gonna do with it. I gotta give it a good look over, climb underneath real well and everything on it this weekend, and let them know what I find on top of what the adjuster had already seen, and make sure that, you know, the figures line up for getting it fixed and back to where it needed to be. All right, so that's the end of this video. Just a quick one, getting it picked up and starting to assess what's going on here and getting ready for tearing into it and getting it back on the road. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe, leave me a like, comment, hit the notifications, and stay tuned for lots more to come. See you on the next one.